Is your tablet or iPad in need of a repair? Whether it's a cracked screen or a faulty charging port. At Techie, we handle all types of issues, including water damage repairs. Choose reliability and affordability with Techie's fast repair service. We use only high-quality parts, and our technicians are fully certified. Don't let device problems slow you down. Get back to your best with our expert services. Ready to fix your device? Call us today to book your appointment. Contact Techie at 877-928-8905. We're here to help.